Hey everybody. Most of you guys that follow me know me for my art tutorials. These are things that I previously avoided addressing here, but I feel it's a good time for the growth of the channel and to be able to help more people. Here's a short version. Basically, I'm a survivor of a major trauma. I was robbed, stabbed multiple times, and left for dead. I was 23 when this happened. Needless to say, it left quite an impact. And on top of that, I'm clinically bipolar and depressed and other stuff. That just kind of piled on to that major event. And only being 23, not really knowing how to handle things, I kind of took the wrong way, and I dove pretty much straight down into a whiskey bottle for 20 years. I just didn't want to accept any of that happened and the aftermath, which is quite a bit of stuff that went along with it, mentally especially, but also physically. Anyway, what I want to do with this channel is I want to still do art, but I also want to show you that there's life after trauma, there's life after addiction, and we can all get there through art. Art and self-development was what really pulled me through all this. It's been 15 years, I'm sober. I plan on going another 15 years plus. I mean, I really owe it all to art and entrepreneurships and self-help. So that's what this channel is going forward is going to be about. I hope to help a lot of people this way. Like I said, I'm still going to be doing art, but I'm also going to be diving into the other aspects, reach more people. If I can do it, you can. Okay, onward.